this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a private server or join a private server here in Lock 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now there's two methods to do this, but only one actually works in this game. So we're not going to be going over the standard like private server method. What you need to do is actually just get loaded into a normal game, right? Then hit the three little dots up in the top left and select the three little lines to open up the menu. From here, you're going to see private server on here. Simply go ahead and just select it. And of course, once you do this, you can hit create. If you're trying to create one, it'll give you a little code. And then of course, you just paste that code in here and then hit join just like so. Or if your friends are hosting like a private server, have them do that and then paste their code in and just hit join. As soon as you do that, you'll be put into a private server where you can practice, do all that other stuff, whatever it might be, 1v1. But that is it. Now, for whatever reason in this game, the normal like private servers are not supported through like the standard game page method. So just keep that in mind. But that is it. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.